I'm looking at the Nllano USB 3 Ethernet connection. This laptop hasn't got a built-in Ethernet connection, and you know, I use it on wireless nearly all the time, but on the odd occasion, downloading updates and that, I want a more stable connection, or even watching a film. Let's run a speed test. I'm on the wireless now. Give you an indication of the difference. Looking about 22 megabits per second. And upload speed around about 12. There we go. Let's switch over. As I say, this is plug and play. So into the USB connection. Let's me Ethernet connection in. Let's close that a second. Go to connection. Wireless disconnect. Okay. Let's run the speed test on that. Yeah, as you can see, considerable difference. And I would say it's going to be a lot more consistent as well. Not much difference in the upload speed. And that's it. Works perfectly, does the job.